Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration called Recycled Home Decor DIY Challenge. And this challenge is hosted by Jessia from Measure and Mix and Sikha from Sikha M channel. And I'm going to leave each one of their links below. And in this challenge, we're going to use anything recycled, and we're going to do a home decor item from it. You can use items like paper, glass, cardboard, anything that you can use that's recyclable and then change it into a home decor item. So I decided to participate in this challenge, and if you excited on what I have to show you, just stay tuned. Okay, now this is my paper towel holder in my powder room, and I have this idea. I don't know if how it's going to come out, but I'm going to take you along with this idea I have in my head. I've been buying shelves trying to cover this, and so far nothing has worked. So one of the shelves I kept, and I got another idea, and I want to see if this works because I just don't like the way it looked. I would like to cover it, and either they too big, they come into too far over into the switch. So far I have not been able to do what I want to do. I'm going to take you along with this DIY that I have planned and see how it come out. So this is the first step, just looking at how it is now. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what I want to use to try to change it. Okay, so these are the items I'm going to use for this project. I have a decorative box that I purchased from Dollar General, and it was $4, and I already measured it, and I know it'll go over the paper towel holder. This is the paper towel holder that I detached from the wall, and I'm going to use this spray paint. This is Rust-Oleum Specialty Metallic. I've been using this, and I really like the way the finish is, so I purchased this from Walmart, and I will leave a link below for that. And I have one in silver, and this one I have in gold too, and I really like this finish. So these are the two spray paints I'm going to use, and I'm going to use some bling wrap too to just give it a little finishing touch for it. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint the box, and then I'm going to put some bling wrap on it. I'm going to see how that look, and then I'm going to attach it to the wall over the paper towel holder where the old screws was. Okay, you guys, I have painted. The sun ain't blinding you over here. I have painted this part gold, all around gold, and then I'm going to come back and do the inside, flip it over, and then I'm going to do the silver. Okay, now I have finished doing all my spray painting. I spray painted all of this gold. Let me see if I can open it up. And this is silver. This part is silver along here that I painted. On the inside, I did gold all the way through it. And the top and the sides was gold. So now, because this is the way it's going to close up like this. It's going to be like this. So, then I'm going to sit something on top. And I seem like it got a couple of spots on it. I don't know if it's from handling it, or maybe the wind, a little windy out there and the plastic was falling over it. But I'm going to put the bling wrap on it and see how they come out. And I'll be right back. I already cut the bling wrap in strips, and all I got to do is hot glue it on. So I'm going to come back after I finish putting the strips on. Okay, this is the finished product. And on this side, I put the bling on this side. I did not put it on this side because this side will be against the wall. And the back, of course, going to be against the wall. So I put it on the top. And I put it in the front. And what I want this to do is to fold down. And then it open up like this. And when it closes, it actually closes up. So you could take this and use this for anything that you like. Like I said, it came to me to do this for, I had to touch up on there, but this is it. It's gold and silver, and I'll show you in the upcoming video why gold and silver. But it's pretty tight there. So if it get loose, I could always see, this is a little loose, but I'm gonna go through it and find out if any loose spots on it, and I'm just gonna re-stick those. Okay, everyone, this is the finished product. This is my paper towel bling holder, and I really love the way it came out. It covers, it does the job that I wanted to do. I think it's really pretty. It goes along with the other bathroom decor. And when I pull this down, I just pull it. I'm trying to see out the light. And I could just close it back up. The only thing is that when it's closed, you don't really know that, or guests won't really know that there's paper towels underneath there. I was thinking about putting some type of sign up here, to sit a little sign up here, maybe make a sign and put a little in a picture frame, or someone suggests, my daughter suggested, cut this part off and just leave this and don't close it up. So leave me a comment below in which suggestion that you have, that I can let guests know that it is paper towels in here. Would you cut it off, or would you just add something up there, maybe a sign up here, across here? Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think I should do. And I just want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching. I thank you for subscribing. I thank you for all your support, and I love you all, and I will see you all on the next video. Be blessed to be a blessing, everyone. Bye bye.